Is your Slack acting a little wonky? Let's ditch those annoying bugs and get you the smoothest Slack experience possible with this quick update tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First things first, make sure your Slack app is actually open. Look for the Slack icon in your dock. It's usually a colorful speech bubble. Once Slack is open, direct your attention to the very top of your screen. You'll see the menu bar. Click on Slack. It's usually right next to the Apple logo. A drop-down menu will appear now. Carefully scroll down and find the option that says check for updates €. Go ahead and click on that. Slack will now automatically check for any available updates. A small window might pop up saying checking for updates €. Give it a moment, depending on your internet speed. If there's an update available, a button will appear prompting you to restart Slack. To install update, this is the key. Click that button. Slack will now close and automatically restart itself. You might see the Slack logo briefly as it reloads. This is completely normal. And that's it. Slack has been updated to the latest version. You can now enjoy all the new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. Enjoy your streamlined communication.